guys, welcome back to Max Reaction. How are you doing today on this Wednesday? Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome back to Max Reaction. How are you doing today? I'm having a fantastic day and I hope you are too. Anyway, we're going to react to a video called Working with Jigsaw. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what it's about. Let's see how fantastic it is. And I'll also leave a link to it down in the description box. So let's check it out. Somebody's calling. Jigsaw's sharpening a pencil. What's he gonna do with that? I'm kind of scared. Not as cool. Oh no. It's kind of creepy.
I want to make you happy.
A-hole.
Yes, I would be happy to crunch those numbers. Just a moment, I'm very sorry.
What, Jigsaw?
What? I want to play a game. Okay, well, I want to go home on time.
I don't want to play a game with Jigsaw.
Your computer has been infected with a pornographic virus. In exactly 25 seconds, you're totally unrushable. Your desk to fix it. You must close all 517 tabs using the office's deadliest computer mouse. The clock is ticking.
Just unplug it.
Thank you, guys. I wasn't expecting anything.
The frosting on Dan's birthday cake contains 29 tablespoons of koala urine. One for each year of his pathetic, meaningless life.
He's done ate it.
What did you say?
That's how I'd be dressing to work if I had to work with him.
Just hold it.
He's gonna wheel down there and they're gonna hold it because they're terrified of little Saul. You're rude, Jigsaw! They haven't had to open the door 4 or 5 times. What is going on? What if you gotta go to the 15th floor, bro?
You ready to get that?
You get them all.
We've been monitoring office productivity, as you can see from this research. When your gains increase, general productivity throughout the office actually decreases.
It'd be different if your games had some sort of work-related theme.
I would say so.
Team building or workplace synergy.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
All we're asking is that you just tone it down a little. Just till corporate gets on with that, okay? You know?
Then you can torture everybody.
All of your legs have been chained together at the ankle.
Oh no.
Keys to your shackles
See,
have
that's the
been...
kind of thing I'm talking
The
about.
keys, Jeff, to your shackles have been destroyed. Your only hope for escape is to saw off your own feet using the weapon of your share.
No, that's horrible. A cheese grater? Oh, that'd be horrible.
Will you guys work together as a team, caring to free yourselves and spend the weekend at home with your family?
I'm not gonna cheese grate my leg. Could you imagine working with Jigsaw? I mean, I can imagine it, but I don't want to. Like, could you imagine sawing your leg off with a cheese grater? You know how long that would take? And how are you gonna get through the bone? You know what I'm saying? That's just... It's not good. It's not good. I don't think I'd work with a guy like Jigsaw. If I did, I'd probably have to quit. Or if he's the size of a doll, I'm just gonna cheese grate him. You know what I mean? Turn him into plastic. That's my thoughts. What are your thoughts? Comment your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think of this video. Could you work with Jigsaw? Would you work with Jigsaw? Would you play his game? Would you play Jigsaw's game with Jigsaw? I refuse. I'm not doing it. You're just going to have to do what you got to do, and that's what you got to do. Anyway, I'm going to drop a link down below. Check it out. Give the creator a lot of love. Check their content out. Hit my subscribe button. Become an MRA member, family member, Max Reaction Army. And next time you choose a reaction, choose a Max Reaction because we're best in the world, baby. Peace.